Hello friends, today in this video we'll see how to add any user in the group. So for example, I have a user called Sabin. So we need to add him on the IT group. So for that, just find the group in the AD first. So we have a group category over here and I'm going to put in the IT group. So this is the group that I'm going to put Sabin. So double click it and then in the members, just click add and find the user. Just write the first name. Just click check name, then it will find the name. So I'm going to add this user. Click on OK, and then click on apply. So we can double confirm it. So once you go inside, you can see the member over there. So this is how we can add the user in the group. So this is one method. But if you want to use another method, we can also do that. So for that, just find the user. So here, just find the user from here. Then double click it, go to the member of. Then here, click on add. So I have a group starting with folder. So I'll just write folder, check name. So there are lots of group here. I'll just add one, click on OK. OK, and then click on apply. So this is also a second method that you can add any user into the group. And that's all for today. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. I'll get back to you definitely. And thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.